heading up to 2992. Turn left heading 210. 210. Ramp contact for ramp tower. No Bravo, on ramp tower, JetBlue 1185. Alaska 572, Raleigh tower, fly runway heading, runway 23 right, clear takeoff. Clear heading and clear takeoff, 23 right, Alaska 572. Bravo 2952, contact Mark. On the left base, which is your right. Clear 1269, channel runway 23, your right, clear land, will be one departure. Got land 23 right, American 1269. Clear 2992, Raleigh tower, you? 2992, for American, yeah, we're up. Clear 2992, you are next. Actually, you're going to go now, flying 210, runway 23 right, clear takeoff. Alright, on a heading at 210, runway 23 right, is clear for takeoff. And traffic's on a 7 mile final for the right time. North Tower Bear, 6037 Mike on base runway 3 left. So 6037 Mike, Raleigh Tower, runway 23 left, clear to land. Don't go through the final, there's going to be traffic 1 o'clock, about 3 miles on the parallel runway. Clear around 23 left and 1 over flat final, 37 Mike. Jet 409, turn right Alpha 3, right on Alpha, contact ground point 9. Ground point 9, Alpha 3, flexion 4. Million 1269, there's traffic 11 o'clock and 3 miles on the left base for the parallel runway, it's a Baron. 411 Baron, American, 1269. We're heading up to 2992. 2992, turn left heading 210. 210 next. information within Raleigh, Durham International Airport area available on flight service frequencies. Combined frequencies of regional tower traffic use 127.45, while ground traffic use 121.9. Aircraft tag terminal 1. Contact ground control on 121.9 per pushback. Attention all aircraft 5. Key notice to air missions in effect for Raleigh Durham International Airport. For further information, contact flight service frequencies. Grade 1.7, miles southwest Raleigh Durham International Airport forward 14 feet. Advise on initial contact. You have information Romeo. Raleigh Durham International Airport agents information Romeo 22510.
Look at that. She is very light. She's off the ground early. Check it out. Brickyard. See you later, alligator. Had a little minor technical difficulty when I first came out here, but we are at Raleigh Durham International, Raleigh, North Carolina. Just doing a little bit of plane spotting. I want to welcome everybody to the channel. This is something new that I want to start adding to my channel, which is plane spotting at the airports. I'd like to say thanks to all of my subscribers. If you're not subscribed to the channel, look down below, hit that subscribe channel, hit that subscribe button. Doesn't cost a thing, it's free, and it helps the channel to grow. Also, if you have any comments, leave them. I definitely read them all, and I reply to them. Don't forget to share and like. Share it to your friends, family members, everybody. Yes, sir. Right here we have Delta Airline flight, taxiing to runway 23 right for departure. Just backed off from the terminal. Won't catch it on the other end of the runway.
Southwest 1219, fly runway heading runway 23 left, clear for takeoff. Runway and clear for takeoff for 23 left off. Alright, evening, United 2279, just outside of Bradley. United 2279, Raleigh Tower, runway 23 right, clear order. Runway 2279.
Well, right now we have the next aircraft that's...
5 all, final Airbus.
That's up. That's clear for takeoff. It's going to be JetBlue 1484 flying from Raleigh, Durham International to Boston. It's taking active runway number 23 right. Yep, JetBlue. Embraer 190. All right, JetBlue 1484 is taking active runway 23 right. You can see it coming into the frame right now. Check it out. She is a beauty. Let's see if we get a nice close-up on her. All right, she's lining up on the runway. Don't look like she's going to stop. Look like she's going to keep it going. Yep, that's what she's doing right there. All right. Applying full throttle. Full power is applied. As you can tell, it's rolling down the runway. JetBlue 1484, Raleigh, Durham to Boston, is on the road. Coming up on V1. Oh yeah, it's rotating off the ground. JetBlue 1484 is out of here. Boston should be seeing you here shortly.
1894 is turning about an 8-mile final for 23 right.
All right, we got a treat there, guys. We got two Delta Airlines down there at the end of the taxiway runway 23 right, waiting to take off. But gotta wait till this one here come in first to land it. It's coming on in.
2005 Raleigh Town, runway 23 right, line for wave traffic at a 5-mile final.
All right, we'll just order to line up and wait.
23 right, Delta 2005.
Beautiful landing there, nice and smooth. Well, we call that a butter right there, guys. That's a butter landing. That is a butter landing, nice and smooth. United Airlines. Spoilers up, reverse thrust is activated. Check it out, guys. All right. You got Delta flight right there.
2279.
Lining up.
Bravo 3, taxi via Bravo, contact Ram Tower. Bravo 3, Bravo over to Ram Tower. United 762.
That's going to be Delta 2005, Delta 2005, flying to Minneapolis. Look at there. He's just sitting right there on the runway.
2005 fly runway heading runway 23.
All right. He just got her clearance.
Yeah, Liberty got 23 right, Delta 2005. 1894, runway 23 right, middle in. Hold on, 23 right, American 1884.
Just got her clearance.
308, Raleigh Channel, turn left heading 160, runway 23 left, clear for takeoff.
And she's on the road.
160, 23 left, clear for takeoff, clear track 308. FedEx 726 Heavy, 12 out.
So you got to zoom in on that.
3 right. FedEx 726 Heavy, Raleigh Channel, runway 23 right, continue, traffic be holding a position. Continue 23 right, FedEx 726 Heavy.
I'm starting backing out on it, so I won't lose the frame. All right, she's rotated and she's up in the air. Delta 2005 going to Minneapolis. Look at that bad boy go.
Delta 2005, contact departure.
2005 is contact to departure. Got another one coming in.
Delta 760, Raleigh Channel, runway 23 right, line up for wave traffic on an 8-mile final, heavy Boeing 767. 23 right, line up for wave, Delta 760.
All right, guys, 767 coming in. We got a treat here, guys. 767 is coming in. We're going to capture this here live.
Track 308, contact departure. Contact departure, 308.
All right, let's head back down there.
1894, turn left, Bravo 4, taxi via Bravo, contact the Ram Tower. Bravo 4, Bravo, we'll go.
All right, guys, we're going to transition off of this Delta flight right here that's getting ready to take off, and we're going to focus more on this Airbus that's coming in. Okay, you got a 767 coming in as well. Let's see if we can find this. All right, there we go. $767 coming in, guys. FedEx 767. Sweet.
Function 49 inbound to the website. Function 409 Raleigh, down runway 23 left, clear to land. 23 left, clear to land, function 409.
Taxiing on the runway right now, runway 23 right.
We got 4661, left heading 210, runway 23
Delta
right,
4661 flying to LaGuardia. 4661 flying to LaGuardia, New York. And he is on his takeoff roll right now. 4661 Delta heading to LaGuardia. LaGuardia, New York. And he is up, but he just lift that bad boy. Look at it, he's rocketing up there. He is rocking, and he pulled that stick back, and he is up, up and away. LaGuardia, here he comes. took up almost a whole runway. This sucker is loaded. He is heavy. He is absolutely heavy.